In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Trello to Jira. We will go through the process in a clear and simple way so you can link your Trello board with Jira using the available integration tools. This is useful if you want work in Trello and Jira to stay aligned and make collaboration between teams a lot smoother. To begin, open Trello and log into your account. Once you are signed in, go to the specific Trello board where you want to create the connection with Jira. Make sure you are on the correct board before moving forward, since the integration will be set up from there. When you are inside the board, look to the top right area and click on the Power-Ups button. From there, choose the option to add Power-Ups. This is where Trello lets you extend the board with extra features and integrations. In the search bar, type Jira. From the results, select the Jira and Trello two-way sync option. Then click Add next to the official Jira Power-Up. Be sure to choose the official option so the setup is reliable and supported. Once it's added, the integration tools will become available directly on your board. Next, open the Unito Sync button from your Trello board. This is where the connection process continues. Click Authorize, then grant access when prompted. A pop-up window will appear at this stage. Take a moment to read the on-screen instructions carefully. Then click Allow to continue. These permission steps are important because they let the sync tool access the Trello and Jira information needed to create the connection properly. After that, follow the setup wizard to create what's called a flow. The flow is what controls how your Trello and Jira data will synchronize, including where the information moves and how the two platforms stay updated. As you go through the wizard, pay close attention to the settings so the sync behaves the way you want it to. If you are setting this up for a team, it's a good idea to double-check that you are connecting the correct Trello board and the correct Jira destination before finishing. That can save time and help avoid syncing the wrong items. Once your flow is configured, your Trello to Jira connection is essentially in place, and the platforms will be able to work together based on the options you selected during setup. That's all to it.